Hey YouTube, it's Aaron the Airsoft Sniper, and today I'm doing a shooting test for the SRC M4A1. So everything on the M4 is standard, apart from the foregrip, which I had to put on separately. You can see there's a rail down there. So the target is out there, you can see. It's 100 or 120 feet out there. I'll take 10 shots on semi, and then I'll move on to fully automatic. Okay, so now we're at the target, and this was 10 shots on semi. You can see that majority of them hit within the circle. A couple did go off on the side. You can see there. That's probably to do with the wind. So I'm now going to go back and do a couple of shots on auto to show you. Okay, so now we're at the target for the fully automatic. As the same thing with semi, you can see that not all the shots actually went through the box, so they kind of bounced off. You just see over there, they kind of spread out. On a side note, here's a box which I shot with the same gun from the same distance, fully automatic. And there you go. Pretty big carnage, you know. So, thanks for watching. This is Aaron the Airsoft Sniper, and that was a shooting test for the SRC M4A1. Thanks for watching.